Hey, Mr. Nathaniel. Good to see you again. So, back to our frequently asked questions. So, why do why do batteries die during cold weather? I think they're made that way.
That's a great question. It's not a conspiracy, and they're not made that way. So you can look at this like the whole vehicle. Anything that's under extreme cold or extreme heat is bound to break because of the stress level that it brings. When it's cold, it's just going to drain that battery voltage where the vehicle's not starting as quick, it's not getting the power it needs. In extreme heats, we have battery swelling, or the fluids actually start to leak from the terminal post, just depending on what kind of stress that it's under.
Okay. So they just cars don't seem to start during cold weather because of the stress they've been under throughout the summer.
It's kind of a double-edged sword. It's the stress that it's been under, the extreme heat in the summer, and you got to think of all the heat that's being built up while the motor's running under there, and we have extreme heat under there as well. Then we switch to the winter, and it's a drastic operating temperature change because there's what's called cranking amps on a battery and cold cranking amps as well. It changes how it operates and the specifications that it operates at as well.